So traders, on today's video I just want to update you guys into how the forex markets have been looking and what we might be looking forward into capitalizing from based on what the forex markets have been doing. But this will be based on 3 trading pairs that we always work on, which is Nasdaq, gold, and Usdcad. So if you're new to my channel, I appreciate having you as one of our family members, not just a subscriber. In the COT Academy fam, in the COT Academy channel, I'll be taking you guys into my FX journey, not just my journey, but you guys' journeys as well. Teaching you guys, showing you guys how to trade, how you can capitalize, and how you can look for possible setups that you can execute and learn from, and how you can find gain the knowledge that you need from the forex channel that we have opened up. So all I ask of you guys is to just like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so you can be notified every time we drop fire educational videos. As you guys are all aware that COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. So I've left my Instagram link, I've left my phone number, and I've left my Telegram link. Or you can just comment on my comment section P, then I can be well aware into what assistance are you looking for. Or if you're looking to trade on the best and safest trading platform, then I guess you're going to click that link down there. Sign up with QuickTrade, trade with the best on the best platform, so you can make easy money, quick money, and safe money, and withdraw safe with QuickTrade. But without further ado, let me not say much. Let me just update you guys and show you guys what we might possibly look forward into based on what the markets have done for the past 2 days, which was Monday and Tuesday, right? So if you're gonna check our weekly trading outlook, you guys will be well aware into what I'm about to share to you guys is what I've spoke about on our weekly trading outlook, right? But on today's video, I'll be breaking it down deep, so you guys can not only learn, but you can also understand, right? So when you can clearly see Nasdaq price at this bullish channel, right? So with a bullish channel, you guys can clearly understand that price has been holding this channel for quite a long time, right? So once price hit this all-time high resistance, as you can clearly see, we had a double top all-time high resistance until price broke above, giving us a new all-time high. So from this new all-time high, price now lost momentum to continue further to the upside. And what happened from there? Price started having this bear move to the downside. So traders can say it's a pullback, traders can say it's an exhaustion phase, or traders can say it's just a dip before price might look to continue moving to the upside. All I want to let you guys be well aware of, it's price is looking to be bearish, and price is in a current bear structure. Let me explain to you guys why, right? You can clearly understand price had a channel, right? Price had an all-time high resistance, and from price giving us a channel and an all-time high resistance, price had an all-time high. Price created an all-time high by breaking above our current all-time high resistance, creating a new all-time high. So from creating a new all-time high, price gave us a touch, which was anticipated to be our 4th touch of our channel. But the bear momentum was stepping into the charts to a point where the bullish momentum was losing momentum and the bear momentum was stepping in the charts. What happened from there? Price started pushing to the downside. So based on our weekly outlook, we had an anticipation that we're simply waiting for price to give us a reaction on our resistance to look for that move to the upside, or a break below resistance to look for that move to the downside. Do you guys get that? So as you can clearly understand, price broke above our all-time high and broke below our all-time high, and price broke below or broke out of our bullish channel, meaning now price is looking for that bear move to the downside. So as you can clearly understand that this was our previous all-time high. This was our previous high. This was our previous high, right? And this is our current high. You now can clearly understand that price violated this high, right? As you can clearly see there. And price is now holding this current high, which is our previous high, obviously calling it a current high because price is trading on it now, right? So as you can clearly see that price is giving us a reaction on this very same zone. All I want to leave you guys with on the next, it's if we are going to anticipate that this was a deeper pullback and price is looking for that move to the upside, then let's wait for bullish momentum to step in based on price giving us a higher high and a higher low, and a break above higher high and a retest of a higher high giving us a higher low, continuing to the upside. So if this is our deeper pullback, which will give us a reaction of our previous higher low, which gave us a an all-time high, then I guess we might look for that move to the upside. But if the bear momentum is still gonna step in, and if we're gonna get a close below this very same zone, then I guess we might look for that continuation to the downside on the Nasdaq, and that's how we might look forward into ending the trading week. Are you guys well aware of it? So, understanding that Nasdaq is looking bearish on our current price, and understanding that price is violating previous lows, previous highs, right? Previous higher highs, which was obviously with a break and retest giving us a new higher low. Price is now violating those higher lows, right? And with a violation of those higher lows, every time price is trading below that previous higher low, we'll look for continuations to the downside. But if price will give us a fail to break and bullish momentum above that very same zone, then we'll look for that move to the upside. And that's all we're gonna live it the way we live it. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. So on gold, as you guys are well aware that gold had this obviously equal high and equal low, and price was trading in a range, right? So with price trading in a range, you can clearly see that we had a break below, and obviously we had an anticipation that we're simply waiting forward for a break above to continue bullish, or for a break below to be bearish, right? As you now guys can clearly see that price gave us a break below, right? And now price is trading below that very same range. So with a break below range, all I can say is we now might look for continuations to the downside, but having to be mindful that price still has a major support, which is marked out right there. Price still has a major support. So with a break below, we might look for those intraday moves to the downside, but we might take profit on our major support. And with that being said, we might wait and see what momentum we're gonna get from there moving forward. But if price will give us a break above this very same range and trade above the range, then I guess we might not have to put our money to work, because price is having a breakout and a break above, a break below and a break above. So with that being said, price might be faking out, and you don't want to be trapped in a fake out, because that shit will hit you hard. Do you guys get it? So gold, I just won't say anything, and I just won't chop it up, and I just won't say much, but I'm gonna live it the way I live it. If price will trade below and continue bearish, then we might look for those intraday moves to the downside and live it the way it is. But if price will trade above, then we won't put our money to work. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, last but not least, we're having Usdcad. So as you guys can clearly see that on Usdcad, we're in possible trades, right? And price could have took profit right there, which is what we did. We took our partials, right, and left runners, right? So on Usdcad, all I can now guys leave you guys with, it's Usdcad understanding that price is on a major zone. This is a major zone on Usdcad if I have to zoom in, right? And prices has been giving us bullish momentum above and giving us bearish momentum below, right? Which is somehow a key level, right? So with that being said, Usdcad, we might have a simple end to the week, right? If price will stay above, as you guys can clearly see that we've now got the momentum that we were looking for. If now price might give us some type of pullback, then we might look for the continuation to the upside, only if we might get bullish momentum. But at the same time, if I can let you guys see one thing, price at this right high created, right? So price at this high printed out. I'm saying created. Price at this high printed out. And with this high being printed out, you can clearly see that price couldn't continue further to the upside, and price had a push to the downside. So with this push to the downside, if now price is trading below this high, and with a trade below this high, all we're gonna now look for is to wait and see what is price gonna do. But if price will give us a break above, then I guess might be confident enough to tell you guys that we might look for those continuations to the upside. But if price will give us a full to break, then you guys can clearly understand we have a double top, and with a double top, price had to break the current low in order for the double top to play out as we anticipate. And with that current low, it's this current low, and this very same current low, it's below our zone. So being below our zone clearly means price might be bearish at that time. Do you guys get that? But understand, USDCAD is looking bullish, and price being bullish, if we're gonna get a break above this current high, we look for continuations to the upside. Without a breakout, then I guess we have a double top. Then we're gonna wait and see what this price gonna do. Bullish momentum, we continue bullish. Bear momentum, we wait and see what is going to happen, because our structure is bullish and our behavior is bullish. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, thanks for showing up, thanks for liking the video, thanks for far most importantly sharing the video, and for most of all subscribing to the COT Academy page. As you guys are well aware that we have a 50% discount on our 2-day in-person mentorship course. I'm here to assist you guys and I'm here to win with you guys. If you're looking for assistance, take my number, my Instagram link, my Telegram link, or comment on the comment section P, so I can be well aware of what assistance are you looking for. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.